Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add Google Analytics to Showit. All right, it's actually pretty easy. So first up, go ahead and open up your Showit account or your website right here. Then go ahead over to site right here at the top left, and then just click on site settings. Okay. In here, you have the option integrations. And here, as you can see, we have Google Analytics, Google Tag Manager, Metapixel, BDOW. So I'm just going to go ahead and select Google Analytics. And as you can see here, it needs our measurement ID. So to get the measurement ID, just log into your Google Analytics account. Okay, now once you're in here, go to the bottom left, click on Admin, and then just go ahead and go to Data Streams. Okay, click on Data Streams, and in here, go ahead and select your website, for example, this one. And then as you can see here, we have the measurement ID. So just copy it, and then go back to your Showit account, right-click and paste, and then once done, just hit on Save. And after that, you're good to go. Okay, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.